Our top story this morning, the Union Cabinet has approved amendments to the National Medical Commission Bill following recently tabled recommendations by a parliamentary committee on the proposed legislation. The amendments include removing the bridge course for Ayush practitioners. Here are all the details. Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday, approved the official amendments to the National Medical Commission Bill. These include final MBBS examination to be held as a common exam across the country, which would serve as an exit test called the National Exit Test. Provision of bridge course for Ayush practitioners to practice modern medicine removed. Fee regulation for 50% seats in private medical institutions and deemed universities. Number of nominees from states and union territories in National Medical Commission increased from 3 to 6. Monetary penalty for a medical college non-compliant with the norms replaced with provision for different penalty options like warning, reasonable monetary penalty, reducing intake, stoppage of admission leading up to withdrawal of recognition, and stringent punishment for unqualified medical practitioners or quacks. The amendment to the NMC bills comes in the backdrop of its consideration in Lok Sabha on 2nd of January and subsequently being referred to the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee. The government has considered the recommendations made by the committee in its report tabled in the House on 20th of March. In other decisions, the Cabinet approved formulation of new integrated scheme for school education from April 2018 to March 2020. It also approved continuation of nutrient-based subsidy and city compost scheme till 2019-20 at a cost of 61,972 crore rupees. Also approval for MOU between India and UK and Northern Ireland on cooperation and exchange of information for combating international criminality and tackling serious organized crime has also been given. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.